Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, as we can see, market has opened a gap up. A slight gap up is almost of around 92 points, I guess. Okay, currently running 102 points above from the yesterday's level, right? Okay, we'll see 5-minute closing over here. Just look at this. It is now at resistance. Tried breakout, but if you see on 1 minute time frame, it's just a confluence, right? Even if you see over here, it was just a one candle wick, right? So they had not crossed and also resistance is not crossed, so we are on selling side and we can see multiple rejections from this level. If you see, just look at the hammer candles over here, right? If you see over here and here also, right? Here I tried one entry which is like entering in PE, but I placed a limit order, that's why it got not executed. Even if you see over here, it was just at like closing price over there, right? If you see over here, just look at this. So I placed order at 150 through 153 like 152 point, right? Something 152 rupees, right? But here that what happened, the order not executed and I canceled my order and then it came down, and then like if I wait for that minute, then definitely it got executed with a very small 4 rupees stop loss over here, 4 rupees or 5 rupees extreme. And then it went up to almost, if you see over here, from 152 level it went almost up to like 20 rupees, right? Okay, that's fine, nothing to worry about that, right? That was not with trend, because trend was somewhat positive because market opened a gap up and trying to go over it. Here it was just a small stop loss, so that's why I tried entering at limit price, but that thing didn't happen right over here. If you see on 5-minute time frame, you can clearly see, just look at this. So 5 minute the market just hold it like that level, and then it has created a weak, that means it took resistance from that side and came down again. It come here again, it went up, like it was giving a good sign that market is going up, right? But in the last minute or in last 2 minutes, market went downside. Just look at this. These are the last 2 minutes in which like it has shown some negativity candle, right? Okay, and now this is the third candle which is almost showing negativity. The low was broken here, also small support zone, so this side also broken. If you see over here, just look at this, right? So it is a day low also, and all these things happening, but here it is making a pin bar candle which is not favorable, right? So if you are holding selling level intraday sell position, definitely you can book here. It is giving almost like, if you see, even if you enter at 155 157, it is giving you a profit of 20-25 points, right? And if you consider 20-25 point, it is nothing but the 16% or 16, like 15, more than 15%, right? And that is a good amount, right? So here we will try buying CE options, but as it is not in favor, so we will wait for any strong confirmation or any strong sign to take trade, right? I will delete this small zone because we have a big zone over here, right? And it is of no use as of now. If you see, yeah, it has an importance yesterday, right? Over here, so here market given a breakout and then came down, our stop loss got hit, right? Nothing to worry about that. But here I will delete this and I will just mark a level over here, right? So that we can only track the level right over here. Just look at this. So I will draw this level itself, only level, right? So zone makes some noise over here, so and level will not make that much noise, right? Okay, so we'll see, we have a trend line, and this was a intraday trend line which was formed yesterday in the afternoon session. And there is a one more trend line which was formed over here with the closing prices, right? Or if you see over here, or even like if you draw a 15-minute time frame, just look at this. So right, we have two trend lines which is act, which maybe act as a support right over here. Okay, here if you see, might be it is taking support from this, we don't know right over here. Just look at this, right? So these things are possible on a higher time frame. You can check on hourly time frame also in order to just look at this right over here. Okay, just look at this. So it is taking support like closing support, right? So we'll switch to 15-minute time frame. I will just simply delete this because this is a very steep trend line, right? Okay, those who have watched my yesterday's video, just look at this. If market opens somewhat over here, it will face resistance. First target, second target will be like this. Like I have told you guys, right? This may be possible, but now it has to test this trend line as of now, right? Yeah, definitely it can go upside, but it will create a confusion over here to trade. So that's why it's better to avoid trade. If you have not watched the previous video, then go back and watch it now, right? Okay, so we have a simple trend line over here. Just look at this. This was a false breakdown covered with the engulfing candle. This was just a wick. if you see over here, and here also not engulfing, but after a big red candle there is a green candle, so might this can take support on this trend line or on this trend line, right? So here there is no need of this trend line as of now, so I will delete this zone. Here also like if market comes, we will draw this zone again right over here, and here we have one previous zone, and here it like no use right over here. Okay, we are seeing over here. Just look at this. It is of no use now as of now. Yeah, this has a importance on this level. Like we have this importance on this can be tested. Okay, 15-minute candle is a red, and if you see Bank Nifty also might be Bank Nifty also has made the same structure over here. Just look at, okay. So Bank Nifty closed positive and trying to go upside, but the Nifty has closed negative. So we will take our negative scenario. This is a retest candle on 5-minute time frame, right? Are you getting my point? So this is a retest candle on 5-minute time frame, but it is not closing red or it is not closing with wick. Just look at this, 5 minute is going to close within 30 seconds, and now this candle has no any negativity sign. It is looking like a engulfing candle, but the previous candle has a big wick, so definitely sellers will come at that level, right? But definitely this is an engulfing candle. If you notice clearly, this is an engulfing candle over here, right? Just look at this, like closing is almost like getting covered, right? And it is closing very strong, but on 15-minute time frame this might be act as a retest, right? Even if you see, there was a small red candle over here, and this red candle has been taken out by this candle, and now it has successfully closed above the previous close. Just look at this. That means buyers are looking strong, but we will need a strong reason to buy or sell. Might be it can consolidate for 1 hour over here because it's a gap up opening, right? So we will wait here. Even if you see, we like in the start of video I was trying to enter at this level because I thought just look at this, this was a day low and it might take support, so my stop loss will be like 10 rupees, and target definitely it got hit. But here the trend is negative, so that's why I want a strong reason to take entry, right? Video length is almost like 7 minutes. I will wait here. Now 5-minute retest candle, just look at this, right? We have a zone over here, right? Just look at, so like this is how a zone works over here. Just look at this, right? So it has a tested, but it has to go up, right? Okay, we'll wait here. We'll see Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, just look at this. It has made a not a proper engulfing, but it is going upside with a very strong trend, right? And even if you see, the trend is positive, and this might be a retracement of some points, we can say. Just look at this. This is at 0.382 level or 0.5 level, might be. But the trend is from this side, right? Even we check from this. This is just like 0.236 right over here. A trend is bit positive and market is going upside, so that means we are on a like good track right over here. Just look at this. So this zone is acting as a support and resistance for Nifty. Or if you see, resistance is like somewhat this level over here, right? So resistance is like this level. I will draw this level, right? Because previous 5-minute candle has a rejection from this week, right? Just look at this candle, like 925 candle, right? And it came down, it gives a false breakdown, and then it goes up right over here. Like we talked, this was making a pin bar candle, and it has made a pin bar candle, but it has made a big body candle also, green candle, and then it went up, right? Even if you see, there is a trend line which is a very small trend line, but we don't take this trend line into consideration because this is just like 15-minute uh, happen to like the 15-minute happen to the market right over here. So we need a pattern, at least intraday pattern over here, and this is just a trend line right over here. So there is no support trend line which is getting formed as of now. The Just look at this, this high and this low is still intact over here. Okay, if you see, why it is not drawing, I guess this has a white color, maybe, I don't know, but it has to. Okay, so it was just hang. We'll delete all these drawings. Okay. Oh yeah, like if you see, just look at this, right? We'll say Bank Nifty also, because both need to be in the same favor. Even if you see, Bank Nifty had just like break out the previous level, but it did not sustain. It came back again. It is trying to go up, trying to make a M pattern or double top pattern. I guess my network has stopped because price is not getting updated. Just look at this right over here. So I will just refresh this page again. Just look at that double top is now getting okay. Here also if you see that resistance is now working as a like uh, just look at this, the previous resistance is now uh, get taken in action. It has given some retracement at this level. I am saying retracement because of this green candle, right? So this is not a reversal, this is just a small pullback. If you see, there is a momentum, right? This was the momentum and this is just a retracement, small pullback, right? But this can be with trade which is like sell trend as of now, because this 1 minute is like market is closed from this level right over here. If you see, so here we have a very small stop loss if we take trade. Okay, even if you see over here, just look at this, right? So this will be like your stop loss, right? But here the entry is not triggered. If you see, the trend is positive and that's what we are discussing, right? This is just a small pullback in. Just look at this, right? It's because of this green candle, huh? Okay. I will stop video here because it's almost like 11 minutes, and we have analyzed market up very much, right? Even if you see, I will give a brief about Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has a resistance at this level, and even if you see, it has now broken out the resistance. But these are the false breakouts as of now, because market tried sustaining at this level, and second time just look at it, has given like it has given a false breakout, again false breakdown, again false out, but we don't know this is a false one or not. So we have to only think about our ESL, which is almost like around 200 points, right? So this trade is not good as of now, right? And there is one trend line support which is like at this level. So trend line support is like very much away from the levels right over here. And even if you see, there is a top trend line which maybe act as a resistance, a dynamic resistance. If you see, market will go up, take resistance, again came down, right? So these are the levels which are very important to trade right over here. Just look at this. So what market can do, just look at this over here. So market will spend time, whatever it may be do, it will come here, take support, and then it will go up, right? Like this, right? So these candles are not predictable, right? So that's why option sellers are always winner. They will short call at this level and they will short put at this level, might be or vice versa. And they will enjoy the time decay. As soon as this level get broken out, they will exit, and as soon as this level get breakdown, they will exit, right? And meanwhile they can wait and watch the how market behaves. That doesn't matter like market moving 100 point up or 100 point down over here, right? So their prediction is like so simple: market going up, market going down, and zigzag way, and they are making money, right? By just sitting on cash, right? That means by just selling their positions, right? Selling the call and put. Okay, we'll see. Just look at this. So for Nifty, we have already analyzed that how or where it can go. We will just simply do a brief of our Nifty pattern. Like previously, that was a triangle pattern. Like it is now breakout happen. But on 15-minute candlestick pattern, it was just a retest, and it is now proving it is a retest. We will see our stop loss, how much it is our stop loss. Our stop loss is like 45 points right over here. So definitely it is not favorable, but still I am interested at that level. I will reduce my quantity to 50%. Like here on 15-minute time frame, just 5 minutes remaining, and market is just giving a small, giving a strong closing, not a very good closing right over here. If you see 5-minute candle, okay, now it is like a good pattern, like good candle. Even Bank Nifty also somewhat, but my Bank Nifty will take support and it will consolidate within this range, right? So this range breakout is very important to be go on one side, like to go with the trend, and we don't know the trend also right over here. So we have successfully missed this entry, which was like very small stop loss right over here. If you see, we are trying at 19 rupees stop loss, and now it is giving 11 points, but we don't know that it will going to do this or not, right? Okay, we'll see. Now market is still making a higher low, right? Sorry, higher highs, no, higher lows, right? Okay, I'm a bit confused about this. Okay, we'll wait for closing over here, and just look at high and low. Like low got broken, but it has covered up that point, right? So trend is somewhat sell, but gap up opening is like 50-50. So it's a mixed trend right today. Just look at this again, it is taking support from the same level, right? Okay, I will post it to the YouTube, because small video is like good. I can upload 2-3 parts in a day, right? Okay, We'll see you if I find any trade or not, right? Currently, there is no position. One order which was like 152, currently trading at 162, right? 10 points higher than my previous. Nothing to worry about that, right? Oh yeah, just look at this. Nifty, Bank Nifty is consolidating at this level, so definitely it can give a breakout, but it has to sustain this level, right? So like stop loss will be like this one, which is almost like 101. So that's why I'm not interested, because this is like a very big range, right? Looking bullish, but still not tradable. Like there is no confirmations, multiple confirmations to take trade right over here. But actually, double top is getting formed. That's why I have a less confidence. And even if you see a good rally is already done, so market can't move. Market can move, but it has to show some positivity, right? And it is now not showing any positivity. That's why we are waiting. Just look at this bank Nifty 5-minute candlestick pattern and Nifty 5-minute candlestick pattern. Nifty now closing below the wick, so that is why I was trying to enter with a small quantity over here. Just look at this, right? Okay, we'll wait here, and if I find any pattern, I will definitely start video and try to upload live recording. That's it for the day, guys.